Today we're going to be cooking Nigerian style Indomie and frying egg for chimdalu. Cooking with Bem-Bem. First, you get your pot there. Then you put the Indomie there. Add some water. Turn on the electric stove. Ooh. Put the pot on the tank stove. In the meanwhile, cut your onions. Ooh. Then we put the onions in the Indomie. Then you bring out your fresh pepper. Then you put the pepper in the Indomie. While that's cooking, make sure to bring out onion and pepper for your egg preparation. There. You bring out your eggs. Crack the eggs. Mix it up. There we go. Get your salt. Since I'm mixing 3 eggs, I put 3 pinches of salt and just a little bit more. 1, 2, 3. Just a little bit more. Mix it up. At this point, you should probably go check on the Indomie. And as I said, don't forget to add your seasonings. Now that we added the seasoning, the Indomie is done. Time to move on to the egg. Now we're back to the eggs. Bring out your pan. Rinse the pan. Put the pan on the electric stove. Now we add oil to the pan. Then the part you've all been waiting for. Time to fry the eggs. I'm going to make them scrambled, so I just mix them a lot. Right now it's halfway done, and I'll be back when it's fully done. There we go, they're done already. This is the end product. Enjoy! If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button right below there and comment anything really, or your favorite part, or if you found this tutorial helpful. All the comments and like would really much be appreciated, and subscribe for more content. Thanks, bye.